Hi and welcome back to the Polymer Clay channel. So if you've not been to my channel before, my name is Gail and this is the Polymer Clay channel. So I make all sorts of things out of polymer clay, big, little and animals, all sorts of different things, and I try and challenge myself to things that I haven't made before, and then I do a tutorial, and then at the end I show you bits and bobs about what I liked, what I didn't like, so I kind of do a little show and tell at the end. Now the reason why I do that is to inspire myself. I can make the same thing over and over again, and to be honest that can get a bit boring. So sometimes also there might be a part of my video that you think, oh, I like that, I'm going to try that part of the video but not the whole tutorial, which is great as well. So I'm here to inspire, to make things from polymer clay, to learn myself and to keep going with the craft. So without further ado, I'm going to show you what I'm going to make today. So I've studied with alcohol inks before, I've had a go at them, and I did a tutorial and also a review last time. So this time I'm going to make something with it. Now I have actually had a go off camera this time, which is unusual because normally I do it off the bat, but this time I haven't. So this is a mug, as you can see, and I used alcohol inks to decorate parts of it, including the handle. Now I don't normally do a handle of a mug, but I thought this time I'm going to. So I did it all the way around, chopped up pieces of clay, covered it in alcohol inks and had a really fun time. So I'm actually going to do the same again on camera because I haven't filmed this. So I'm going to do it again, and this is going to be the mug that I cover. So it's going to be a slightly different colour. Obviously it's got ridges in it and things like that which can all be covered up, and I'm going to show you how I did it. So here we go. Okay, so we shall begin. What I've got here is FIMO Professional, and this is in white. Then I've got my mug, as I just showed you. This is just a cheap mug from a pound shop. It's quite simple and quite sturdy as well. Then I've got some mixed clay. This is lots of different colours, and this was actually coloured and left over from the alcohol inks video that I did last, and this is the colour that it turned out. So it proves that you can turn clay a different colour if you want to. And these are the colours that I've gone for. So this is lemon, turquoise, kiwi, lime and violet, and these are the colour schemes that I want to go with today. These are all the alcohol inks. Then I've got some gold leaf, and onto my tools. So this is a paintbrush. I'll be using the paintbrush to flatten down the gold leaf, so I found that works actually quite well. This is for any glitter that I use. Not sure if I'm going to use any just yet. I do have some crushed glass glitter that I might use. This is my FIMO plastic tool, and then my dotting tool, my craft knife, and finally my acrylic roller. So I'm going to make a start.
like a light, lighting up in the dark. You make it right, I forgot how to act, it's so classic. Every time you make me nervous and I lose my words. It's been a while since I forgot the most simple words. I feel calm when you're around, like nothing can break me. Now I know why it never worked out before. High low, it would always turn out bad, so bad. But every time we start a fight, we always stop in time. We both know how to be gentle, never cross the line. I feel calm when you're around, like nothing can break me. Sometimes, but I know we're safe. Two peas in a pod, a roller coaster to walk out the door. We could be in control, but we just keep on putting on a show. And baby, I don't mind it. Let them talk, they don't get it. That we are two peas in a pod.
Thanks for watching the tutorial. So I'll just show you what it looks like now. So I think it's turned out really well. It's really pretty, obviously goes with the inside as well. As you saw, it's kind of random, so it goes on however it feels like it and pretty much however it comes out. You can sort of work the design you know, to your liking. You can sort of put it in certain places, put more white in, put more colour in, and it really does depend on how you do it as to pretty much how it comes out. And then I didn't mention it, but I put some crushed glass glitter in there and also some gold leaf as well, which is what I've done on my other one. But I just love it so much. I think it looks really pretty, and yeah, I think it's turned out really nice. With this, I made this thinner than I did my other one, my purple one, which is actually behind me on my new shelf. But yeah, I think it's turned out quite nice. In terms of using it for an actual mug, I don't recommend it because you're going to have to put your mouth on the edges here, and it certainly wouldn't go in the dishwasher because all the glitter and gold leaf would probably come off. But yeah, I think it's quite nice for a decoration. It would work really well for, again, a pen pot or tools pot or something like that, or even perhaps a little plant. So this is how you cover a mug in polymer clay using alcohol inks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again soon. I just want to say, if you're a watcher and not yet a subscriber, please subscribe, because at 500 subscribers, which I'm headed for now, I am going to make my own YouTube play button. So I'm going to show you how to make it all, and that is going to be my special video. So if you haven't already, please subscribe, get me to 500. That's all for now. If you're new here, god damn it. Hi and welcome back to Polymer Clay channel. So what was I going to say? I can't remember. Oh no.